So in this tutorial, we're going to be importing this PDF into Excel. So we can see here that this is a PDF with columns, rows, and data. So this would be uploadable. Now we could close out of here and we could simply come to data. From data, we could go to get data and press this drop down. Now we're going to hover over it from file and look for PDF. Once we find PDF, we can just press into there. And now we could look for our PDF. Once we find it, we can press import and it'll bring us to this page here. Now, what we could do is we could press either select multiple items, or we could just individually choose what we would like. Now you could see it's sectioning out our PDF based on pages. But for now, we're just going to import page 1. After hovering over it, we could go to this little load dropdown and press load to. And this will allow us to specify where we want it to be loaded. Now we're going to keep it as a table, and we're going to add it to a new worksheet. Once we have all this, we can press OK. And now you can see our data transfer was successful. So we can see our query here, and we now have our PDF data right in our Excel sheet. Now with little data cleaning, you have this looking a lot nicer, and it saves you the time of having to manually enter it into Excel, as that would be unbelievably tedious. Now that's how you can quickly load PDF files into Excel, and I hope that helps.